Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. Today, I'm going to share with you iOS setup for AR Foundation Unity course. And iOS setup is so essential for mobile AR development because without doing the iOS setup, your iPhone might not be working compatible with Unity. So let's start. Okay, join XReality Academy. Right now, we have $25 per month. Start from April 15th to June 30th. We have our soft launch during this time, and we are welcome for you to give us feedback. So that's the pilot users discount. After July 1st, we will charge $45 per month, and we'll keep improving ourselves to meet your needs. For the 1 month monthly fee, you can access to all extra courses such as AR Foundation right now, what I'm building. I've already finished building, start the UX research, UI build, persona, all we integrate all the user experience inside XR development. So we are using all those theories, principles, and apply to XR. We also have Unity 101, Gamification 101, and the more we do, the better we will become. So we constantly involve ourselves, and also we open for feedback, and we welcome for people to join us. We also have private Slack support channel. So if you are interested, later on I will share with you the QR code. You can scan the QR code and join us. In that Slack channel, welcome to post any questions you want. I might not be able to answer everything for your questions, but we will have a lot of mentors there. So maybe someone there will know your answer. So feel free to join our community and become part of us. And then our goal is to update the XR content frequently. For me, my goal is to create one XR education video per day. So that's a big goal because in order to teach, I have to learn. So, which means that I have to speed up learning so I can organize things better to present to you. Okay, so please join XReality Academy Slack group. If you want to take your XR learning to the next level, sign up for our Slack group to access weekly private calls now. So you can see the QR code. Feel free to scan the QR code and then fill out the form, and our team will add you to the Slack channel pretty soon. The learning goal. Today's learning goal is to set up Apple developer account, create Unity iOS build, and also set up XCode. You have to download Unity, XCode, Apple developer. Don't worry, all those links will be posted on XReality Academy membership, student membership. So if you go to AR Foundation Basic, you will see all those links. Then if you click one of the links to Unity, download the personal free one. If you want to download student, go ahead if you have the student criteria. Also, Xcode. If you click one of the links, you can go to Apple Store and download XCode. XCode is a very important software to link between Unity and also your iOS phone. So this is a necessary step. Later on, go to your MacBook, go to search, and then type keychain. This is kind of like a really, I would say, back and forth part with Apple developer and also Unity to make sure you and your device is the part that can be built on your own Unity. It's like a very unique types of process. So you need to go to keychain, create, and go to the drop down and click certificate assistant. Under certificate assistant, there's kind of like a selection, which you need to select a lot of options. You need to select request a certificate from a certificate authority. Click that. And then you can see this. The user email address pretty much is your Apple ID account, and remember to save to disk, save to disk instead of email to the CA, which is very complicated. So you just save to your desktop. Then save to desktop. Then you will see later on after you click this, you will see there's a icon here on your desktop. So certificate signing request. So that's the first part. Second part, you need to get into Apple Developer, log in, and then create an account, pay it. And then on the second column, right now they changed the interface. So on the second column, the first one is certificate. So go here. You need to click the plus. And then what I am doing is Apple development instead of Apple distribution, because I'm not going to deliver to the Apple store, but I do want to build on my phone. So you can select Apple development. Good. It's good for now. Hit continue and then create a new certificate. So remember before you use Keychain to create a certificate on your desktop, now is the time to choose the file, that file, to upload and hit continue. Once you upload the desktop version to your certificate choose file, click this one and upload that certificate, you will see this, download your certificate. So it's kind of encrypted, right? So you upload something from your keychain and then you re-download it. So right now you have two, right? You have development, one, right? And then, it's a lot of things. Okay, so let's go to the second tab, identifier, right? Click the blue button, go to, so if you see here, identifier, pretty much you need to create a bundle, which later on you need to put on Unity. So click this blue button, and I think I create the bundle somewhere here. Not really restaurant, but